Understanding academic writing. Academic writing is a style of writing used in educational and professional contexts that emphasizes clarity, precision, and objectivity. Its primary purpose is to communicate complex ideas, research findings, and arguments in a structured and organized manner. Academic writing is characterized by its formal tone, use of evidence-based reasoning, and adherence to established conventions such as citation styles and academic language. One of the key aspects of academic writing is its emphasis on critical thinking and analysis. Writers are expected to engage with existing literature, evaluate different perspectives, and develop their own informed arguments based on evidence. This process fosters intellectual growth and contributes to the advancement of knowledge within a particular field or discipline. In educational settings, academic writing plays a crucial role in assessing students' understanding of course material, analytical skills, and ability to communicate ideas effectively. It is often used in assignments, essays, research papers, and dissertations to evaluate students' academic progress and development. In professional contexts, academic writing is essential for researchers, scholars, and professionals to communicate their research findings, collaborate with peers, and contribute to scholarly conversations. It helps establish credibility, demonstrate expertise, and facilitate knowledge dissemination within academic and professional communities. Overall, academic writing serves as a cornerstone of intellectual discourse, knowledge exchange, and academic achievement across various disciplines and professions. Key elements of academic writing. The key elements of academic writing encompass a range of aspects that contribute to the effectiveness and quality of scholarly communication. Clarity is paramount, ensuring that ideas are expressed in a concise and understandable manner, free from ambiguity or confusion. Coherence refers to the logical flow and connection of ideas throughout the text, maintaining a smooth and comprehensible progression of thought. Organization plays a crucial role in academic writing, with a clear structure that includes an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. This structure helps readers navigate the content and understand the writer's argument or analysis. Additionally, citing sources accurately is fundamental in academic writing, acknowledging the contributions of other scholars and providing evidence to support claims or arguments. Adhering to academic conventions involves following specific guidelines and standards related to formatting, citation styles, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago, language usage, and ethical considerations, such as plagiarism and academic integrity. These conventions ensure consistency, credibility, and professionalism in academic discourse. Overall, mastering these key elements is essential for producing high-quality academic writing that effectively communicates ideas, engages with scholarly literature, and meets the standards of academic and professional communities. By prioritizing clarity, coherence, organization, citing sources, and adherence to academic conventions, writers can enhance the impact and value of their work within their respective fields. Types of academic writing. Academic writing encompasses various forms, each with distinct purposes, structures, and characteristics. Essays are a common type, typically presenting arguments, analyses, or reflections on specific topics. They often follow a structured format with an introduction, body paragraphs presenting evidence or analysis, and a conclusion summarizing key points. Research papers are more in-depth and involve original research, data collection, and analysis. They include sections such as abstracts, literature reviews, methodology, results, discussions, and conclusions, adhering to specific academic standards and citation styles. Literature reviews focus on summarizing, evaluating, and synthesizing existing research on a particular topic, providing an overview of key findings, methodologies, and gaps in the literature. They contribute to knowledge by identifying trends, debates, and areas for further investigation. Academic articles are scholarly publications that report on original research, theoretical advancements, or case studies within a specific discipline. They undergo peer review and are published in academic journals, contributing to the dissemination of new knowledge and scholarly discussions. Each type of academic writing serves unique purposes: essays for critical analysis and argumentation, research papers for original research and data-driven analysis, literature reviews for synthesizing existing knowledge, and academic articles for sharing new insights and research findings. Understanding these differences helps writers choose the appropriate format, structure their work effectively, and contribute meaningfully to academic discourse. Writing process and techniques. The writing process is a multifaceted journey that involves several stages, each requiring specific strategies and techniques to produce effective academic documents. Brainstorming. Start by generating ideas related to your topic. Use techniques like free writing, mind mapping, or listing to explore various angles and perspectives. This helps in developing a clear understanding of your ideas before proceeding to the next step. Outlining. Organize your thoughts and ideas into a structured outline. Create a framework that includes an introduction, main points or arguments, supporting evidence or analysis, and a conclusion. This serves as a roadmap for your writing process. Drafting. Begin writing your academic document based on the outline. Focus on conveying your ideas coherently and logically. Don't worry about perfection at this stage, the goal is to get your thoughts down on paper. Revising. Review and revise your draft for clarity, coherence, and effectiveness. Ensure that your arguments are well supported with evidence, transitions between paragraphs are smooth, and your writing style is appropriate for the audience and purpose. Editing. Edit your document for grammar, punctuation, spelling, and formatting errors. Pay attention to detail and ensure consistency in citation styles, language usage, and overall presentation. Tips for improving writing skills and managing time effectively include setting realistic goals, creating a writing schedule, seeking feedback from peers or mentors, using writing tools and resources such as grammar checkers or citation generators, and practicing regularly to enhance proficiency and efficiency in the writing process. Common challenges and solutions. Academic writing presents several challenges for students and researchers, but there are practical solutions and resources to overcome these hurdles effectively. Writer's block. This common challenge can be overcome by breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, setting deadlines, creating an outline, and using techniques like free writing or brainstorming to generate ideas. Taking breaks, practicing self-care, and seeking inspiration from diverse sources can also help stimulate creativity. Citing sources accurately. To ensure accurate citation, use reputable sources and follow the guidelines of your chosen citation style, example APA, MLA, Chicago. Familiarize yourself with citation rules, keep track of sources as you research, and use citation management tools like Zotero or EndNote to organize and format references efficiently. Maintaining academic integrity. Avoid plagiarism by properly attributing ideas, paraphrasing, quoting sources correctly, and citing all sources used in your work. Understand your institution's policies on academic integrity and seek guidance from instructors or librarians if unsure about citation practices or ethical standards. Managing references. Use reference management software like Mendeley, RefWorks, or BibTeX to organize and manage references. These tools can help generate citations, create bibliographies, and keep track of sources used in your writing projects. Additionally, seek support from writing centers, workshops, online resources, and peer feedback to improve academic writing skills, address specific challenges, and enhance overall writing proficiency. Collaborating with peers, seeking mentorship from experienced writers or faculty, and practicing consistent writing habits can also contribute to overcoming common academic writing challenges effectively. Conclusion: navigating the challenges of academic writing requires a strategic approach and utilization of available resources. Overcoming writer's block involves breaking tasks into manageable steps and fostering creativity. Accurate citation and maintaining academic integrity are achieved through familiarity with citation styles and ethical guidelines. Efficiently managing references is facilitated by using reference management tools. Seeking support from writing centers, workshops, and peers enhances writing skills. By implementing these strategies and accessing relevant resources, students and researchers can successfully tackle common hurdles in academic writing and produce high-quality, impactful scholarly work.